Hey guys, it's Justin. I wanted to show you what's going to be my new video series. I'm going to learn how to lockpick, and I'm going to start with this very cheap mountain security lock from Wal-Mart. I think it cost $4. Here I have a bent bobby pin and a bent paper clip. This will be my tension bar, and this will be my actual pick. I have opened this lock a couple times already, but this is the first actual lock I've ever attempted to pick. I'm going to go with bottom of the keyway tension, and now I'm going to have to be quiet so I can listen for the pins. And it opened. I think that was about a minute and a half, and like I said, this is the first lock I've ever picked, even though I've picked it a few times today. I guess the moral of the story is don't trust anything you really want to a very, very cheap piece of crap padlock from Walmart.